Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, today we are going to make an Argentinian inspired chimichurri and steaks marinated in a luxurious marinade. Soy sauce, honey, etc, etc. Watch the video guys. Now, the chimichurri sauce is going to be just as good as the Argentinian tango. You wait and see. And I just want to make a disclaimer because some people were like writing on my Instagram page, which is at Cooking with Hugs. I'll put it right there, or maybe right there. You're a fake chef. You don't use real stainless steel pots. What about a broke ass, you know what? Don't you guys understand? Okay, I'm not a wealthy person. I'll do what I can. That's just not who I am. I told you guys from the beginning, this is a healthy-ish channel because I make healthy-ish food. Let's get cooking. Enough of the haters. I love you guys, and let go. Okay, so I went to Trader Joe's and I just picked up flank steak. This was $10.33 for almost 1 pound of flank steak. So you want to just open it right up, okay? And you're gonna want to take your steak out. All right, perfect. Now this is a pretty thick piece of steak, as you guys can see. But this is my trick. I'm going to fillet the steak or butterfly it open and make 2 full pieces for those of you who are in a relationship and maybe you have you and bae. Okay, you're gonna just sharpen your knife right here. Ooh. Yeah, I didn't know this was what it's for either, guys. So. All right, so now that your knife is super sharp, you're gonna wanna butterfly the steak, okay? So now you're opening it up, as you guys can see, and you're just gonna keep on slicing and pulling and slicing and pulling and more slicing and more pulling, and try to go against, right, the steak so you don't cut it. And this is a lot of years of doing this, guys. And you got yourself 1 and 2 full steaks. Look at that. I'm gonna pick up my handy dandy meat tenderizer and you're gonna All right, so now we're gonna make the easiest and most delicious chimichurri sauce inspired by Argentina. Now you're gonna take a little blender or food processor and just stuff it with a bunch of parsley. Now I know this looks like a lot, it's because it is a lot. So you're gonna add a bunch of parsley in there, and then I'm gonna add all the ingredients that are gonna be listed in the video right now. Okay, so the pan is really hot, like it's smoking hot. That's what you want to do. I actually went out and got this olive oil spray, but you could use regular olive oil. I just find that this is like really cool and easy. And then you're just gonna sear these babies on. 1. And we're gonna make room for the other. That's 2. Don't burn down your kitchen. And I will see you guys back in about 3 minutes. Hi guys. So today's recipe was so freaking deliciously easy. And I kind of tried it already because I had to taste to see if the salt levels were good. But let me tell you something. First of all, it is beautiful. My chimichurri is a little brighter than normal because I blended it in like the magic bullet. If you would do it in a food processor, it would give you more of that like runny chimichurri. But I'm promising you guys, this is it. Let's go. First of all, the caramelization that honey in the marinade did is on another level. Take a look at this. Ugh. Yo, I'll take the wheel because I ain't driving tonight. Look at that. Look at it. Wow. Guys, I don't know what to tell you other than it's a nice medium because that's the way I like my steaks. Oh my goodness. Okay. First off, the steak itself is so rich and so flavorful with the soy sauce, the honey, so on point. And that chimichurri is so fresh and bright because that parsley, right? And that red wine vinegar, right? You know how I feel about things hitting right here. Guys, this is it. I'm taking one more bite. You guys, because it's just so perfect. Ma, I did it. So good. Thank you, Priscilla, for telling me to make a chimichurri sauce. I usually don't make it, but I did, and it came out beautifully. And that bite is for you, my dear. This is so good. I'm gonna keep eating this, and I'll be back. As always, I love you guys so much. I really appreciate the fact that you guys have been watching my videos. Follow me on my IG Cooking with Hugs, Facebook Cooking with Hugs. Comment, like, subscribe to my channel if you won't. And as always, I love you so much. Thank you guys. Mwah. Bye.